Financial aid. Two words that scare most of us. And if you're honest and you have never done it, you're probably very nervous, very uncertain, and extremely intimidated about financial aid. Well, let me break it down for you. If you're going back to school and you need to take out financial aid or do financial aid, it really is two things. It is a combination of grants and student loans. Because let's face it, most of us don't have the resources available to fund our education on the front end. And so we have this resource provided by the federal government to assist us. And so if you're going back to school and you need to do financial aid, simple process. All you have to do is fill out a FAFSA every academic year. All they use is your tax information, not your credit score, so that takes the fear out of that part of the uncertainty. And once they use your tax information, that will be used to determine your need. Your need will then tell us what you are able to receive each semester. Simple as that. Now, once that is done, you have a few documents to complete. And after you've been accepted by PBA, we let you know what those documents are. Just a few simple steps and you're ready to get started. So, instead of taking the words financial aid and getting all nervous and scared, embrace it. See yourself as the investment that you're going to make into yourself for your future. Make the call today, 407-226-5955.